Hello coders, ready for today's challenge? We have got a piece of C code that's behaving not as expected, and your mission is to find out why. At first glance, this code looks like it should print hello world 10 times, but there's a twist. It only prints once. Can you spot the bug that's causing this? And your time starts now. Okay, let's walk through this together. So if you can see, the devil is in the details, or in this case, in the semicolon. This tiny punctuation mark after the for loop makes all the difference. This semicolon turns the for loop into a non-operation loop, which completes its iteration without executing any code block inside. The hello world is printed once because the print statement is executed as a separate block after the loop finishes. So by removing the semicolon, we link the for loop to the print statement. And that's how it will print hello world 10 times as it was initially intended. And there you have it. A small semicolon can cause a big logical error. So do tell me, did you catch that before the reveal? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoy this challenge and don't forget to subscribe for more coding puzzles. Happy debugging. See you in the next challenge.